Hi, myself Sarvanath Reddy. My registration is UR15CS291. This is my fifth lab experiment in C++ lab. The aim of the experiment is given a text and a pattern. Write a function to search character pattern and character text that prints all the occurrences of pattern in the text. You may assume that n is greater than n. While going into the program, this is the program. The basic header file and standard library files are given. Here I declare two functions, namely void get zarray and void search. Void get zarray helps us in creating space for the text to be entered for the user, and all the text entered by the user will be in zarray. And the void search helps us in finding the pattern in the text. Here I used string concatenation, which combines both pattern and text, and that is copied to length, and it is printed in int1. When we constructed an array z using data type int, and now here we used for loop. Now the looping goes to the through the z array for matching condition. If z of I matches the pattern, is equal to the pattern, then we had found that pattern entered in the text, and the output comes like pattern is found. This statement is used to run through the text again and again to find all the indexes where the pattern is found. And while going to the get zarray function, here we initialize that n is equal to string length, and we also initialize three variables, namely l or k. We also initialize that l is equal to r is equal to 0. It means the values are predefined here. The value of l and r is equal to 0, and for this loop, for I is less than 1, I is less than string length, and for pre-increment of I, if I is greater than r, then if I greater than I is nothing matches, if means if this condition is not satisfied, then we will calculate the z of I using the naive way. Here l is equal to r is equal to I. Here we used while loop, while r is equal to r is less than string length and string r minus l. Here already we have declared that the values of r and l is equal to 0. Here we used string r minus l is equal to 0. It means the in the text, the loop, the line interrupter starts from the 0th index, and it searches the whole text until it is equal to the string length. It calculates the total string length, and it increments the value of r, and it stores in the z of I. Else, if here the k corresponds to the value of I minus l. Here if z of k is less than r minus I plus 1, means if z of k is less than the remaining interval, then z of I is equal to z of k. Else, then the l is equal to I, and it is checked manually. While r is less than and r is less than string length, and string r minus l is equal to string r, then the value of r is post incremented, and z of I is equal to r minus l, and the next it goes to the main function. Here I use two variables, text and pattern, using data type string, and a cout statement is given to the user to enter the text, and the input is taken as text, and cout statement is given to the user to enter the pattern, and input is taken as pattern, and it searches the text and pattern and returns the value 0. Let me execute the program. When we enter the text, and we enter the pattern, it will searches from 0th index to the total, as we given there, as we initialize the l and r values are to be 0, and when we execute the program, here we found that position at 0, and the position at index 11 and index 18. So thank you.